Hello everyone, welcome to Theta Cartel YouTube channel. Um, I wanted to place my first trade on this account and I wanted to share this trade in my YouTube channel. So this is the trading platform. It's called tastytrade. I love this platform. This UI has given me now more easier way to analyze my trade, to get on, get off my trades easily. Definitely, this is not a paid partnership, but this is my view. So yeah, as you can see, my capital I'm working on is on 95k, around 95 500k. I did deposit money into this account earlier, probably like last month, and I was able to get around 3k into my account, placing some trades, mainly on Palantir, NVIDIA, AMD. So today, yeah, as you can see, I did check the morning. S&P was 50 points down, if I remember, but looks like it has recovered all the negative points and it is trading +3. And also the NQ was bit red today morning. It has recovered well. Uh, so my main number one point in my list is to look for liquidity. Liquidity needs to be top notch. That means is, so if you look at um, any strike prices or any bid and ask price, the difference is only like if you see 5 cents 10 cents now, so it would make you easier to get in and get out of the trade easily. That means basically there are more buyer and sellers on this particular stocks, and also the volume, it's pretty high on stocks like NVIDIA. It's like top 7, top 10, or S&P top 100 companies, right? um, so yeah, if you look at my watch list, I usually track most of the top man companies. And today is already Monday, so I'm targeting to place a trade which expires this Friday. So looking at NVIDIA had uh, did a recent. So this is I usually check for a daily time frame to get a grasp on where the stock is trading. Looks like it's pretty much rallied from what, April 21st, and today is May 19th. From past almost 1 month, Nvidia has a decent rally, uh, for obvious reasons because of the Trump tariff rules, and then there's a good response on how US and China trade. Tariff negotiations are going. So yeah, I'm okay to even take an assignment if I am doing any CSPs or any covered call on this trade. So May 23 is this February, and I have 4 day uh, for this particular contract to expire. I am thinking to probably sell a CSP. My main goal is to get around a quarter of a percentile in a week. That would help me to grow this account uh, in a steady pace. So my account balance is around 95,000. So uh, most importantly, this account which I'm trading is not a margin account. So it does take full buying power effect. If I have to own like 100 stocks for now, I have to have around 13,000, right? So if you uh, if I get around $90 for the buying power effect, I am getting around 0.69 to 0.7 percentile for a week. I think it's not a bad idea. So I increase my contracts 0.7, so it's around $616. Let me increase. I would like to place around 95. Working on the trade. Also, let me check on other stocks. If you look at Tesla had pretty good down day today, and it was like 11 points down today morning, but it is recovering well. But the price of the stock is much higher. I mean, Tesla can easily go 30 points down easy. So around 320. It did take some nice beatings if you look at the chart. So the only thing I'm thinking about Tesla is it most of the times it behaves like a meme stock. It can go 20, go 100, like the way it happened last month. Um, Palantir IVR is bit from past 5 days. It has dropped down to 1.1%. Probably, you know what, in NVIDIA, I can, if I go in the money covered calls, I think I can get the similar percentage here. Okay, let me cancel this one, and if I think it's around the same. Hmm, 434. But if I go in the money covered call, at least targeting. Okay. Okay, let me place this trade. So basically I'm trying to target the extrinsic value here. If you look at um, I'm buying the stock at 135 and I'm selling the stock. I'm selling a call option at 640. If the stock goes down to 130, my I am protected because I'm doing an in the money covered call. So let's see. It should ring any moment now. It is playing plus or minus 5 cents here and there. How much is it? So 130, 90, 80. Okay. What if I lower a bit down? Oh, actually I need to increase it. Sorry. Okay, there you go. All right. So I have bought 700 shares of NVIDIA, and I have sold at my bought at 135.45, and I have sold 130 strike price for a premium of 636. So the analysis goes like this: if NVIDIA stays above 130, I would make around $637. So that would be 637 for my, I would calculate for my whole amount. So for, I mean, you can see I had around 95k. I have still left over 5,000, so this would be for 90,000. I'm clocking around quarter of a percent, so around 0.7 for 4 days, for 5 days. Let's see how this trade goes. I will update you if I do any adjustments or if I close out the trade. Thank you.